Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Above the Fold. I know, I can't believe it either. This weird roller coaster of a year that is 2020 is finally coming to an end. And I'm shook. Reflecting upon this year, I think a good word to describe it is unexpected. Never did I think that I would explore every nook and cranny of my house, that Zoom video chatting would become the preferred method of communication, I would never step foot into my office since March, and that my PJs would become my everyday outfit staple. So I feel like the only fitting way to say goodbye to such a year like this is to transform myself into a baddie, which is what I plan to do today for my look. And if you guys don't know what a baddie is, let me explain. A baddie is okay, I'm back guys. After consulting urbandictionary.com, but a baddie is a woman who can hold her own and take care of herself, and someone who's independent and exudes a badass aesthetic. So, I feel like the aesthetic part is pretty open-ended, but I'm going to create a look based on what I've been seeing online, put together something for you guys today. But anyhow, if you guys want to see me go from this to this, wait, something's wrong here. I don't feel like this gives off the baddie aesthetic. To this, now this is much more like it. If you want to see how I created this foxy eye, smoky type look that you can definitely rock on New Year's for whatever you're doing, stay tuned and watch the tutorial. Okay, so the first step you want to do is go ahead and prep and prime your face, which I have already done so. And do you guys see something different? I actually went ahead and did my brows today. I used the Too Faced Brownie Pencil. I will link the product description information below. But yeah, I usually never do my brows, and there's a kind of a funny story behind it. But yeah, growing up one time, my older sister did my brows. I felt like I looked like Bert from Sesame Street. Like, it was so thick. I don't know, it kind of scarred me, and ever since then, just like seeing brow products, like, it scares me. So I usually never do my brows. So this is like one of the very few times I've done it, and be gentle if I did a horrible job. I'm still learning. After that, I'm going to go ahead and prime my eyes with my Urban Decay Primer Potion. And then after that, I'm going to take a step that I've been doing in a lot of my videos, which is using the tape. I think it just creates sharper lines, but this time I'm going to be angling it upward a bit more, just because I want to do kind of a foxy eye type look, and usually when you do that, the ends kind of have to slope upward a bit more. So I'm just going to guess, and I always put way too much tape. Side. Okay, and then I am actually going to be using again my Too Faced Pumpkin Spice palette, just trying to really explore and get as much usage out of it. And today I'm going to be, first for the foundational shade, I'm going to be going in with Crease, which is like this really pretty like apricot type shade. For the transitional shade, I'm going to be going in with Fall for it, and then for the deepest shade, I'll be using Spice of Life. So I'm going to be creating this kind of like smoky plum type look today. And then I'm going to go in with my deepest shade, which is Spice of Life, and I'll probably be adding in some PSL and Chill to add some shimmer to the purple as well. Okay. And then I'm going to take my angled brush, and then I'm going to kind of start shading in an upward motion and creating this extended cat eye. And then I'm going to kind of do a sparkly half cut crease as well. So I'm going to first take my Stila Shimmer and Glow from Kitten, and I'm just going to shade like the upper thirds of the eye and go up to the point where I feel like my eye socket is sinking in. And then I'm going to go ahead and go over that with my Stila Glitter and Glow in Kitten Karma. And then I'm just going to fix and blend the other half of it. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and take off the tape now. And I'm going to first bring some of the color to the lower lash line. So I'm going to go in with Spice of Life and a bit of PSL and Chill and bring that into the lower lash line. And I'm going to actually take colored eye pencil and stash and just define the lower lash line a bit more. And then I'm going to go ahead and apply my liquid liner. So I'm actually not going to go the full length of this extended cat eye. I'm just going to do like a little bit of a kitten flick. And at the end, I'm going to show you how I'm going to line my inner tear duct area to create kind of like a Foxy type eye. Now for the kind of tricky part. But basically what you want to do is you want to follow along where your inner tear duct, like the direction is going in, and kind of extend it out. And then after you extend it out, you want to connect it to your lower lash line area. But yeah, maybe it'll be clear once I start doing it. the kind of feline type look in your inner tear duct area. I'm going to pop on the falsies now. And the tricky thing is sometimes once you pop on falsies, I know for monolids, it can kind of change the shape of your eye. So if that's the case, you just have to go back and fix these liners, because basically you want it to be all connected. Like you want to extend the inner tear duct, but everything should be connected. I'm going to be using my Ardell natural lashes. Okay, so now that the falsies have been applied, I'm going to go ahead and apply some mascara to my lower lash line. So I'm going to be using my Too Faced Better Than Sex waterproof mascara. And after that, I'm going to go ahead and start applying my blush. So I'm going to be using my Too Faced Perfect Blush Blush. For the highlighter, I'm going to be using my Stila Heaven's Hue highlighter that I recently purchased from Kitten. And then for the lips, I'm going to be going in with, so recently I wanted to share with you guys, I bought this really cute Clinique Chubette, I think how you pronounce it, set where they just have like a bunch of samples of all their different colors, and this works perfectly for me because actually I rarely use up all my lipsticks unless I really like a color. So now I can kind of experiment and try different shades and find which one I actually really like and then purchase that one. So I'm actually going to try Roundest Raspberry, like this purpley shade. So yeah, this is the finished look. And yeah, I hope you guys have a great new year. I'm definitely really confident that 2021 is going to be a much better and brighter year. So thanks for watching, guys. Happy holidays. Bye.